don't know. Just like me, to mess up a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we had it easy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jadi. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I am going to create a makeup look using a palette that my sister gave me for Christmas. It is the Revolution makeup Revolution London. It's Forever Flawless. This palette is so beautiful, guys. It has amazing shades, amazing shades. I want to cover the front because I don't want the mirror to blind you guys. So here's the palette. It has so many beautiful shades. I mean, look at these glitters. They're so amazing. They're like calling my name, calling my attention. I really love this. I did create a look for New Year's using this palette, which came out so bomb. But yeah, today I just wanted to, don't know what I'm going to create. I'm just going to go along by looking at the shades. That's how I get my inspo. I always look at my palette and I kind of see what colors I want to put it together. So yeah, we're going to do that today. So she gifted me this Revolution makeup highlighting palette, which I really love these highlights. Highlights is amazing. I feel like you could use a highlight for shadow base. You could use it for your brow bone, your inner corner, your cheekbones, whatever it is. You can use a highlight. Highlight you can use if you're just gonna do a natural makeup look and you just want to pop a little shimmer on your lids. Pop one of these on, mascara, and you're good to go. So I really can't wait to use these two together. So this is what I'm going to use today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video for 2021. I do have a lot of videos that I want to do, so many ideas. It's so like, but yeah, if you have any recommendations, please leave it in the comments down below. The first makeup look that I'm creating for 2021. So instead of just talking and blabbing off, let's just get started. These colors are so beautiful that I don't even know what color to start with. Like shades that I'm gonna go with are these like purpley mauve type colors. So I'm gonna go in with Yin, Harmony, a little bit of Tranquility, Yogi, as this glitter as well. Mind you, this I've never used this palette, so I love Revolution London. I do have a couple of the palettes and stuff, but this one I don't have. So I'm gonna start off first, guys, with this brush, and I'm gonna grab the shade Harmony because it's the lightest color there, and I'm just gonna start bringing it, like really bringing it into the socket of the eye and the crease. And these palettes. And I really noticed that my shadows look so much nicer, guys, like when I use a fluffier brush, or the brush is more like fluffy and not too dense where I can't really get into my crease. And then when I just like legit keep the brush and let the brush do the work, guys. I'm not like bringing it too high up. I just want to keep it right there in the socket of the eye, in the socket of the crease. See that color already? It's nice. I like the palette. It's pigmented. There's some palettes that I use that I feel like I have to like go over and over, but no, this is twice and it looks really nice. So guys, if you see any light on my face, just like that. The next color that I want to apply, the color Yin, which is like a purpley plum kind of shade, this shade right here, which is really pretty. And I'm gonna add that also to the crease. Which I'm gonna use for that is gonna be this Wet n Wild brush. Brush is a little bit more dense. It's not as, you know. And I'm just gonna grab it and I'm gonna bring it right here. Ooh. Right here. And bring it more, and also bring it into the crease. See that? Oh, that's so pretty. gonna intensify the yin just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna intensify just in the outer crease. I'm not gonna bring it anymore. I'm just gonna keep it right here, like in the outer V of the crease, just like that. Ooh, that is so pretty. And I'm just gonna grab this and really, oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry. You can see the light through the shade is so annoying. Okay, guys, just like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like cut my crease a little bit, only because I want the glitter that I'm gonna use. I use this glitter right here. It's called Until, and I want to put that over, but I need something to hold. My dog is nuts. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna grab my satin concealer. You guys know, Holy Grail, love, love, love. I don't care if it be 20, 21, 22, 23. Love this concealer. It is bomb, bomb, amazing. I love it. It works perfect. And I am just going to cut my crease. Gonna get a little bit of my wet room well pressed powder, and I'm just gonna set it a little bit, only because I do not want it to move. Put it on there. Because it really makes me feel like I want to leave it like this, because it just looks so pretty, you know? So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this, guys. I was gonna put that glitter shade, Terra, but I just love it like this. Is so pretty. It's just so pretty, guys. Okay, so I set that. Then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna grab more in color. I hope I'm saying it right. Yin, yin, whatever. And I kind of make this really blend in with that, because you don't want it to see the line or to see, you want everything to kind of blend in nicely together. No. Grab this brush again, and I'm gonna kind of blend everything together just so it's nice and seamless. And really, you know, I do want to add that glitter so bad. I do want to add this. I just think I'm gonna add it maybe to like right here in the crease. Decided to put the glitter kind of like right there. I think that looks really nice, really pretty. Throw away any chunkiness. I'm going to put some mascara. So for my brow bone, so we're doing like a little mauve kind of color, purple, I'm gonna go with this highlight right here, and I'm just gonna put some on my brow bone. We'll come back to the eyes, but for now, let's just go to the face. I'm gonna speed through my face. so far I'm loving this look. It looks so beautiful. Oh, okay guys, so now I'm just gonna do my lower lashes. We're gonna go back to the same shades that we use on the lids. We're gonna do on the lower lashes. White on my waterline. So today I'm not gonna add any falsies, but I did kind of put more mascara to kind of make it look like, you know, my lashes are a little bit full. I did use my Essence What the Fake because this one really gives me volume and lengthening in my lashes, and it's just amazing, guys. You definitely can wear lashes with these if you want. Me, I'm just gonna keep it nice and simple like this because I know that a lot of girls that, you know, don't always wear lashes or anything like that. And you know, I try to do looks that's also good for people who do wear lashes and people who don't wear lashes. You know, it's always good to do a combination of lashes, not lashes, makeup looks, which I still think this makeup look is really beautiful even without falsies. Without lashes, it makes it look nice. You know, I just put mascara. But of course, if it's nighttime and you want to go glam, then you add some nice, you know, fluffy eyelashes, dramatic eyelashes, and this look will be phenomenal. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it as simple as it is. I need to go to the grocery store anyways, and I don't want to be looking all crazy. For my lips, I'm going to use this lip color from Nicole Miller lip liner. It's like a mauve color too as well, nude. I don't know, but they don't have names. But I'm just gonna line my lips. Because since it's not going to be a night look like dramatic, I don't want my lips to be too. And then I just use the same thing. See that? Wow, wow guys, that is so wow. I also have this other lip color here that I've never really used. Flaming Fuchsia. So I'm going to see how this looks on here. Oh yeah. Wow, this brought the look together. Wow. This is the final look. This is the look that I created using this palette. You can find it at Ulta. I'm so thankful that my sister got me this palette. I love the colors. She so knows me so very well. Well, this palette is amazing. It doesn't have any, it has a little bit of fallout, but it's not like it falls on your skin when you're doing makeup or anything like that. The shadows are so blendable. They're so nice and smooth. They're pigmented, which I really love so much. I didn't really have to dip so hard on the palette to get the color or the shade. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's makeup look, the first makeup look of 2021. So yeah, I really love this look. Like I said, guys, if you want to make it a night look and be more dramatic, you can put some beautiful dramatic lashes. But for today, I'm not gonna do any lashes because I'm just gonna go to the grocery store and I do not want to be looking crazy. So pretty, makes your skin so glowy, like it's just bomb. Like it just, you know, my skin is looking bomb right now. Yeah, this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, become part of the butterfly family. Thank you to those who continue to subscribe. I am so thankful for my 212 subscribers that I have. You guys are faithful. You guys keep me motivated to keep going and keep making content for you guys. Also, keep a lookout for my bullet journal apps that I use for my Bible journaling. So yeah, guys, keep in tune for that. I know that's another highly requested video that I have, and it will be up next week as well. So I'm working on that, editing this week and all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, I hope that you guys are having a blessed 2021 that is full of blessings and good vibes going your way, good vibes for your family and all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, I hope that you guys do not forget, subscribe. I always say God bless you.
Just like me, to mess up a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we began. became this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we had it easy. And now you don't believe me when I say I'll change. But how can I lose you now? Whoa.